All right, so nobody actually likes the taste of apple cider vinegar, but Goli found a way to make apple cider vinegar gummies taste good, and now they're selling millions of dollars a year on Goli.com. My name's Connor from Privy, and on today's video, I'm doing a deep dive teardown into Goli.com and what you can take away to improve your own e-commerce store. All right, cool. So this is Goli. What Goli does is they sell the world's first apple cider vinegar gummy. I don't know if it's first. It probably is. And I am obsessed with this website because I think it actually hits everything that an e-commerce marketer should focus on. And I'm going to run you through each part of the website, what I like, what I love, and even some of the things I don't like, because I think that there's always room for improvement on anything that you do. So as soon as you hit the site, this is awesome, right? Look at this product photo. It clearly shows all of the different ingredients that are in it, right? You've got the vinegar, the basil, the apples, all of that kind of stuff. And I really like their tagline over here. I think that the website copy, people always want the sexy, really good looking website, but the website copy is actually what's going to go and sell your product. So here they have taste the apple, not the vinegar, right? And so I think a lot of companies, I don't buy these products. I've never tried apple cider vinegar gummies, but what I'm guessing is that a lot of these companies that sell it focus all about the health benefits and why you should be taking apple cider vinegar. But Goli really focuses on the taste and how you can get those benefits without having that nasty, taste in your mouth after you go and try something like the vinegar taste. So I really like this. They also do a good job of highlighting all of their product benefits right on their homepage. So it's gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, unfiltered, all of that kind of stuff is awesome. The second thing that I really like is how they have a video right on the homepage, right underneath the folds. So they have a feature from Ellen, and I'm not saying that everyone needs to go and have a feature on Ellen. I'm guessing that's probably pretty damn hard to do. But having any kind of video, whether it's social proof of your customers talking about your product, or even if you just have someone on your team that gets in front of a camera and says why someone should buy your product. These days, we're on our phones more than ever, right? I'm on Instagram 24/7. I'm on YouTube watching content. If you can go and have an easier way for people to understand what it is your product does, that's going to go and help you guys sell even more. And it's a simple way to go and communicate the value to your customers. All right, the next one, and this is actually one of the few critiques I have about this website. I think that you should try to go and have as impactful as the website as possible by going and reducing all of the empty space that's not selling your product, right? So this section, for example, says health simple, has 3 people hanging on top of a mountain, presumably somewhere pretty cool, fun by the water. It doesn't do anything for me, right? I'm not going to see this photo and think, wow, I should go buy Goli products. But I do love lifestyle product shots. And so I think if they wanted to go and do that, finding a way to go and say like, hey, this is perfect for travel and include it in a backpack or like on the go on an airplane or something like that would be a good idea. The other thing that I think that they can totally touch on here are the health benefits behind apple cider vinegar gummies. Now, my guess is that people who are on this website already know that there's health benefits and they're buying Goli nutrition gummies for the taste, but I'm not positive. And so I think that it's probably a good idea to go in and try to include some kind of nutritional value or talking about why people should be taking apple cider vinegar gummies, because they don't actually talk about that anywhere on the website. Same thing for this section here, the other essential ingredients. I think this is definitely good, right? Someone who's health conscious and focuses on their health wants to see things like beetroot, apple, pomegranate, citrus, carrots, blackcurrant, all that kind of stuff. But I think that this section is pretty big. And so maybe even making it just one line, 6 images across can make it a little bit easier. And that way customers can go and move forward on the website more. Also, small thing that is probably pretty overlooked, but it includes several shop now buttons on your homepage, right? So if you can see up top here, they've got the shop now here. They've got the order now up here. If I scroll down here, they've got another shop now. Definitely try to include as many as possible. The goal is to get someone to buy, not just learn what your product does. Other thing I love, and every website needs this, if you don't have this, I promise you that you were losing sales today, is the section that says, see what our customers have to say. Including customer reviews is the easiest way to go and get a customer to trust you. And the more that customers trust you, the more that they're going to buy your products. The more that customers trust you, the more that they're going to buy your products. I promise you that. The last section that I really like here is talking all about Goli's mission, talking about how malnutrition is the #1 cause of preventable child deaths. So they go and provide a 1-to-1 match for every vitamin sold through a partnership with Vitamin Angel. So if you're not going to buy from the flavor, the health benefits, or all the customer testimonials, now at least you're able to go and buy because of what you're able to see, how they're helping out a really good cause. A few other things I want to talk on is that their product pages are super unique. Okay, so if I go to shop now, check this out. If I go here, first of all, it says you have been approved for free shipping. I don't know what that means. I'm guessing they just do like a geolocation. If I'm anywhere in North America, I'm going to get free shipping. but I'm also able to go and buy 5 bottles. I can buy 3 bottles. I can buy 1 bottle. They sell it on a monthly supply. And so they're able to go and really upsell the bundle right from the product page. And they don't actually do any product descriptions or anything like that. So if I wanted to only buy 1 bottle, all I would do here is select this package, and it takes me immediately to checkout. I don't know how they do this. It's probably with some Shopify app, but it's definitely worth checking out if you're interested in trying to go and sell this yourself. They also have express checkout with PayPal here, which I think is always a smart move. If I were to give them any piece of advice, I would say also add Amazon Pay or Shopify Pay, just because you can see higher conversion rates with things like that. Also really great product images here. They keep it simple. They show the bundle. At this point, they think that you're probably already sold. So it's probably worth going and just including what the box it comes in and how many you get in that box. 2 more things that I love about the product pages here is that they rank it based on quantity first. So you're able to see 5-month supply, 3-month supply, and only at the bottom here do you see the 1-month supply. I'm guessing that by going in that order, they're probably increasing their average order value. The very last thing that I love about this product page is the 100% money back guarantee. You can get a full refund of Goli if you don't love it within the first 30 days, which takes away so much of the risk of actually going and buying a new product, right? The reason that people buy things on Amazon today is because they trust that Amazon will give them a refund if the product doesn't ship, if they don't like the product. There's so many reasons, but what you really need to do when you own a Shopify store is convince people that they should be trusting your brand and buying your products. The other thing that I would add about this website is that you should go and try to focus on adding more reviews. If I click the reviews tab up top, it just takes me down to a section on their homepage where you can see 4 reviews. And don't get me wrong, I think that these reviews are great, but adding some simple review app on Shopify, such as Judge Me or Luke's, could be an easy way to go and have more reviews and provide more customer testimonials to your new buyers. And the very last things that I mentioned about this website that I thought were really interesting was that down here in the bottom navigation bar, you're able to go and see 2 sections on wholesale and refer a friend. So if I click refer a friend, it'll give you a $10 gift card for every friend that you refer. So I think this is a really easy way to go and have customer motivated referrals rather than just having to go and rely on Facebook ads, email marketing, SEO, all that kind of stuff. If you have a great product and you're really confident in it, then it's an easy way to go and promote your product without having to spend a lot more money. The only last thing that I would add here that I think many websites overlook is that they don't have an FAQ section. And I really liked Goli's because they talk all about their product, right? Is the Goli gummy gluten-free? Let's see, is the Goli gummy vegetarian, right? They include a lot of that stuff, vegan, kosher. Probably a lot of this stuff helps them rank with SEO. But the other thing is they also talk about the health benefits. If I were to give one big critique on this website, I would definitely say that they should focus on trying to bring the health benefits more on their homepage or product pages. My guess is that they probably don't because people already understand the health benefits if they're shopping on this website and they just want to have the flavor benefits. But I still think that it would be an extra value add in order to go and sell more of the products. This is our first website teardown on this channel. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe. We're going to be posting a lot more of these. We're also going to be doing email teardowns, strategies on what apps you should be using, how to go increase your average order value on your website, all of that kind of stuff. So if you have a Shopify store today and want to grow it and get helpful tips from time to time, we're going to be doing a bunch more of these. Make sure to like and subscribe below and check out some of the other videos on our channel.